Hi guys, this is Arjita and today we'll be creating this beautiful watercoloring effect using Memento Inkers. Talking about my favorite combination when it comes to no line coloring, it is always Memento light ink and Arches cold press water paper. So today also I'll stamp my images using Memento Angel Pink, which is the lightest pink available, and any green shade, and today I used pistachio. So I've stamped the leaves in light green. I won't allow the stamped outline to dry, and it'll help us blend the water better, and we'll achieve a no line coloring. So now all the images are stamped, and I'll add some drops of all these re-inkers onto my palette, and a clean water brush and some water is all that is needed to achieve this. So I'm dampening the area, a particular area or a leaf, and then dropping in the colors. This is a very open loose style watercoloring, and we are not really looking for a perfect intricate watercoloring. This is a very satisfying process, and just grab in few of your re-inkers and begin painting. So I'll speed up the process here, and you can see that this is the exact same way I will color my rose as well. Here you can see I'm adding my reds and yellows on the palette, and just a tiny little drop is more than enough. So again, using the same process, I will select a petal, wet it up with my water, and then drop in the colors. So you can just keep in mind a few highlights and shadows, but not really a lot of detailed effect can be created. So keep skipping petals in between so that the colors don't run into each other, and just enjoy this. I'll add in some music, and once it's done, I'll catch you up and we'll finish the card together. Okay, so the coloring process is done, and I'll use my sharp pair of scissors to cut the images, and then we'll assemble the simple card. I'm adding few green splatters on a white cardstock, and this gives it even a more artsy look. So drying it up, and then I'll use some foam dot and some wet adhesive to stick the images onto the card. So assembling it is up to you, and I usually like to create my floral cluster on a little left hand side of the card. So to add the final touches, I used Irresistible Pico Embellisher in gold, and I added some pollens in the center of the flower and a few droplets around the flower. So now was the time to add a sentiment, and I used my favorite VersaFine Black Onyx ink for this and stamped a little sentiment which says, "You inspire me." So this is the card for today, and I hope you enjoyed this. And if you did, please leave some comments and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.